The most delicious tomato omelette I've ever had. This recipe is amazing, will surprise you. To start our recipe, I will start cutting 2 tomatoes into slices this way. Make this recipe at your house, and then come back here to tell me what you think. Now I will add a tablespoon of butter in a pan to melt, and I will stir constantly to facilitate the melting process. Done this, I will add the slices of tomato I cut in the pan. While the tomato is in the frying pan, I will break 3 eggs in a container. Tell me if you have any differentiated omelette recipe, I'd love to know. Now I'm gonna stir it real good. Done this, I will season with a teaspoon of salt and a little parsley to taste, the amount is optional. Now I'm going to mix one last time for the spices to come together. Then, after the tomatoes fry, I will turn with the help of 2 forks to fry both sides equally. Then I will pour the egg mixture I made previously over the tomatoes. Now I'll add some ham to taste. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Natasha Yinda from Zambia. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Once this is done, I will cover and cook for 10 minutes. After time, I will uncover and add some mozzarella to taste, but this part is optional. You can add as much as you want. I will put a lot because I love cheese. My friends always ask me to teach how to make this recipe. Finally, I will put some oregano, also to taste. Cover and cook for another 5 minutes. After the time is ready, our recipe, look how beautiful it was. Now just serve and enjoy this delight. People, I love this recipe. I'm sure you and all your family will like it too. I do it myself every weekend, and when I do nothing, my family loves it and asks me to do it forever. It is perfect for any meal, as it is a complete recipe, with proteins, carbohydrates and good fat, everything you need to start the day in the best possible way. This recipe is amazing, it's quick, easy, there are few ingredients, and best of all, it's delicious. There's no reason for you not to do it in your home. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.